Let's get started with our ribbed hexagon. So I will be making a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. I'm going in my very first chain, pulling my yarn through, and I'm making 1, 2, 3 chains, going back in my ring, okay, and I'm making a double crochet and 1 chain, go back in the ring, and we're gonna make a total of 2 double crochets, 1 chain, back in the ring, and we're making another 2 double crochet. So you have to begin 3 chains, double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochets, 1 chain, 2 double crochets, 1 chain, and 2 double crochets, 1 chain, again back in the ring, and a total of 2 double crochets, and again. Okay, and how many do we need? A hexagon has how many sides? 6 sides. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sounds like we're in school, guys. Yeah, so here we go. Okay, so we're gonna add yellow. So I'm gonna make a total of 3 chains, and then I'm gonna work my way through the back of my stitch, like this, and through the back of my stitch like this. Okay, let me move this yellow yarn out of the way, and then I'm gonna go in this stitch with a double crochet, 2 chains, back in the same stitch, double crochet, work my way through the back of the double crochet, again through the back of the double crochet, and double crochet in the same chain space, and through the back of the double crochet. I will be making a total of 2 double crochets in each of those. So behind, I'm making another double crochet. I'm going through the double crochet with another double crochet. I'm coming through the chain stitch with a double crochet and 2 chains back in the same chain space. So you're starting to have something that looks like this if you're changing your color. And I'm going through the back of my double crochet with a double crochet through the back like this, and through my chain stitch with a double crochet, through my chain stitch with a double crochet, and through, see, you're going through, let me see here, okay, you're going through your double crochet and you're making a double crochet. So you're working your double crochet through the back because you're working with a rib stitch, and I'm making 2 chains. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm going back through the 2 chain space with a single crochet, 2 chains, back in the chain space with a single crochet. I'm going through the back of my double crochet with a double crochet. Push your needle up through your double crochet and behind your double crochet, pull, and in the same stitch, double crochet, 2 chains, and I'm gonna join my stitch, okay, where my 3 chains are that I started, and you should have something that looks like this. I'm gonna cut this, and we're gonna start with a different color. Okay, so I think I will start with, let me see, I'm gonna go with pink. Okay, let me grab the pink yarn. There we go. So I have the pink yarn. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my pink yarn, and I'm gonna go in where my 2 chain space are, and I'm gonna make a 1 chain and a double crochet, and then I'm gonna go over where my double crochet is through the back, and I'm working through the back of the double crochet. I'm gonna do it again. I'm pushing my needle up and behind my double crochet, and I'm pulling it through. Let me move this yellow yarn out of the way. Okay, and then I'm going in where my 2 chain stitch are, and I'm making a total of 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets, and I'm working my way through the back, and I am making a total of 2 double crochets, and back through my double crochet, 2 double crochets, 2 chains in the same space, 2 double crochets, and I'm working my way through the back, and I'm making a total of 1 double crochet through the double crochet, working through the back and through my double crochets where my chain space are. I'm making 2 double crochets, 2 chains, go through the back, go through, and go through your stitch. Oops. And 1, 2, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets, and go through the back of your stitch, and make a rib stitch. So that's what a rib stitch is, when you're working through the back of your double crochet. See, so this is what this is starting to look like. Beautiful, isn't it? Sure is. Okay, so I'm just gonna close this off, and I'm gonna add my last color. So we're gonna add blue. I'm almost finished. I just need to add blue. Okay, so I made 3 chains in the space where I have my 2 chains, and I have a total of 3 double crochets, and I'm going to work my way through the back, and I'm making double crochets through the back stitch. This is the last round. We're almost finished. Okay, so we're almost there. I'm on the last round, and I'm going to do a total of 3 double crochets where the 2 chain space are with 2 chains. Okay, so there we go. You're working your way through the back stitch of your double crochets with a double crochet, and that's why it's called a rib stitch. And we're pretty much there. As you can see, this is quite repetitive. The only thing is you're increasing your stitch here. So each time, so this was 1, this is 2, and now this is 3 double crochets. inside that space. And it created a beautiful pattern, didn't it? When you change colors. It turned out to be a flower. Maybe because I love flower. That's all keeps popping in my mind when I do anything is a flower. I don't know one person out there that does not love flowers. If you don't like flowers, let me know in the comment. And if you love flowers, also let me know. And tell me what your most favorite flower is. I really don't have a favorite. They're all my favorites. I don't have a specific favorite, I should say, because all flowers are my favorite. Some women love roses, I'm okay. I'll take a potted roses. I won't take a rose if it's like cut, because it's gonna die, and I don't like to see plants die. So we're almost there. So we're on the second to last stitch actually. And there you have it. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share the video in my description, and keep watching for many more. Until next time, many blessings. Take care.